Hello everybody, it's Electronic Fox. Me and my dad going hiking. Been hiking for about half a mile now. Got trekking poles. He got his bag. There's a waterfall down there. You can see it. Maybe you can.
He spilled.
Candy bar. You put the camera right in front of the trekking pole.
Oh.
This is better. Off a little. That's better. What? I'm still here.
Turn it off.
Trees still have their leaves on the this garden. Looks pretty though.
This path. You can see the top of the mountain. This path is going down the hill. It curves off that way toward the way we came. It might curve around the mountain where we want to go, but we don't know. So the choice is, do we take the low path or the high path? I say the high path.
There's two problems with that path. No problems with this path.
You pick.
Well, we found a deer bed, and I may or may not have stepped in deer poop. We hiked all the way over there from the road to a quarry. Actually, a few months ago, there was an explosion, so I see that they're working now. And there's actually a rock down there. Looks like there's something carved into it. But, sadly, no, I'm not going down there.
It's actually a pretty cool place. We're gonna stop here and take a break. I think we're gonna start cooking some soup. I'm not recording that. That's boring, and I don't cook pancakes. We're still next to the quarry. We came from over there. We're over here now. We actually saw this guy riding his bike. Tires were like huge. They're like the size of my hand.
Found this weird tree. It looks like it was like shaved off, but it wasn't. If anyone knows what kind of tree this is, tell it in the comments. I'm probably gonna look it up when I get home though. We didn't eat because we haven't found any other place to eat.
Well, we're back down the hill, mountain thing. We never got to make the soup, so we're probably gonna make the soup next to the car or by this stream right here. Or we just won't make the soup and put it away and get home. What?
Oh, it's a duck coming up. See it? It just went underwater.
Oh.
See that? Now watch. It'll come up again.
Yeah, I'm walking across the street. I don't care. Oh, I see it. I see a duck. You see the duck. Cool. If you don't, it's swimming. And it keeps, oh, it went underwater. Okay, well, I'm scared of putting my phone over the edge like that, so, that was our hike. I vlogged it.
Take a picture of those ones.
Yeah, I'm getting these snakeheads apparently. And this snake's hibernating in this log. And I don't know why I'm taking a video of it. My dad wanted me to. I'm going back to the car now.